Born in this cause number 2021-15074 in the interest of Charles Lepin, Ayala, and Houston Lopez. Please identify yourself for the record.
Luis Regler for the Office of the Attorney General.
Order to note that this is a UIFSA matter and the non-custodial parent, Father Madison Lepin Lopez, is not present. He was personally served on September 3rd, 2021 at 10:30 a.m. at 1415 Greens Parkway, apartment 70 in Houston, Harris County, Texas. He has not filed an answer or made an appearance. Is that correct?
Correct, Judge.
We will proceed by default.
Thank you, Judge. The order they're proposing, the court grant, is called default order in the UIFSA statute. The mother in this case, Madison Kate Leping Lopez, is the non-custodial parent, and Nicole Sexton Key, non-parent relative of the child, is the custodial parent. The children are Charles Leping, Ayala Lopez, and Houston Lane Lopez. The estate was not able to find any proof of income for the mother, so we're proposing the order be granted based on minimum wage presumptions for the 3 children in this case. We were not able to find any other children the mom is ordered to support. Therefore, we are proposing the court use minimum wage 30% for the guideline child support. Medicaid is in place, and we're asking the court allow the custodial parent to continue to carry the Medicaid, that the mother be ordered to pay $75 a month beginning June 1st, 2022 for cash medical support, that the mother be ordered to pay current child support of $320 a month beginning June 1st, 2022 for the 3 children. And there's a request to the interstate petition that retroactive support be granted from January 1st, 2018 through yesterday's court date in the amount of $18,179 as of yesterday's date, that the mother be ordered to pay that at $141 a month, also beginning June 1st. And Judge, I'm asking the court to grant this order, and I believe it complies with the petition from the other state. And that's all I have, Judge.
All right, the court will approve the order submitted. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
This is cause number 2021-27014 in the interest of Azrael Neely's and Justine Wallace. Court will note that this is a UIFSA matter. The father, Reginald Jerome Neely's, is not present. He was served under Rule 106 on November 4th, 2021 at 1:01 p.m. At 1827 Tomlinson Trail Drive in Houston, Harris County, Texas. And he has not filed an answer or made an appearance. Is that correct?
That's correct, Judge.
We'll proceed by default.
Thank you, Judge. The custodial parent in this case is Katrina J. Sean Wallace. The non-custodial parent is the father, Reginald Jerome Neely's. The children in this case are Azrael Neely's, male born June 20th, 2018, and J. Sean Wallace, female born May 4th, 2016. The state was able to verify the father's income through information reported to the state of Texas. That his average monthly gross income is $2,080. There are 2 children in this case. We were not able to find where the father is obligated to pay support for any other children. So we're proposing the court use guideline child support of 20% towards the father's income, that the Medicaid be allowed to continue, mother continue to carry the Medicaid, that the father be ordered to pay cash medical support of $124 beginning June 1st, 2022, and monthly thereafter, that the father be ordered to pay current child support of $425, also beginning June 1st, 2022, for the 2 children. There's also a request through the UIFSA petition that the father be ordered to pay retroactive support. We calculated retroactive support going back 4 years from date of filing. So as of May of 2017 through yesterday's court date, using the information reported to the state of Texas, And calculating guideline child support, the retractive amount would be $25,925 as of yesterday's date. The state is proposing the father be ordered to pay $150 a month beginning June 1st towards that retracted child support balance. And Judge, I believe this complies with the UFSA petition requested from the other state, and I ask the court to grant this default order.
Court will approve the order as submitted. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
This is call number 2021-63068 in the interest of Xander Webster Devlin and Brian Alexander Devlin Jr. Court will note that the non-custodial parent, mother Brittany Sierra Webster, is not present. She was personally served on October 7th, 2021. No, I'm sorry, that's November 26th, 2021. And she has not filed an answer or made an appearance. Is that correct, Mr. Regla?
That is correct, Judge.
Proceed by default.
Thank you, Judge. The custodial parent in this case, Pamela Regina Maxwell, is the grandmother of the children. The non-custodial parent in this case is Brittany Sierra Webster. And the children are Alexander Thomas Webster Devlin, Melbourne, May 25th, 2017, and Brian Alexander Devlin, Jr., Melbourne, March 29th, 2016. In this case, we were not able to find any income proof for the mother. Therefore, we're proposing the court grant guideline child support based on minimum wage. There are children in this case. The mother does have non-disclosure and child support and medical support orders for one other child in a separate case. Therefore, the guideline child support would be 22.5% based on minimum wage. The grandmother is carrying Medicaid for these two children. We ask the court continue to order Medicaid to be in place, that the mother be ordered to pay $75 a month beginning June 1st for cash medical support for these two children, that the mother be ordered to pay guideline child support minimum wage based, beginning June 1st at $240 a month for these children. The UFSA petition did not include any request for retroactive support, so we're not including that in this proposed order. And the order did request non-disclosure in favor of the grandmother based on information provided in the general testimony and in the petition. We're asking the court to grant her a non-disclosure request. And I believe this order complies with the request made in the UFSA petition. So I ask the court to grant this default order.
Court will approve the order submitted. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge. That's all I have.
The first one. The very first one that we heard just now, UFSA.